Is your RAM 2500 infotainment screen going black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistically, the vast majority of these connection drops are just temporary software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your display back online quickly. Start by disconnecting everything and verifying your cable is Apple certified, as cheap cords often fail. Common culprits include outdated Uconnect firmware or simply a communication error at the USB port. Sometimes your iPhone needs a nudge, so try toggling Siri settings and clearing the CarPlay cache. If these home remedies fail, you might be looking at a faulty USB module or a head unit hardware issue. Most software fixes are free, while hardware module replacements can range up to $150. The most effective trick is the hard reset, which clears the system memory without deleting your data. Keep a high-quality spare cable and an OBD scanner in your truck for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, if the screen stays black, low battery voltage can sometimes cause strange infotainment behavior. Subscribe for more RAM 2500 tips and let us know in the comments if your screen is back.